Today we're going to be installing some wheel covers from EVBase onto our Model 3. Inside this box are a set of 4 18-inch Aero wheel covers that are modeled off of the Model S Plaid, but they're for our Model 3. So our rear-wheel drive Model 3 is going to pretend it's a Model S Plaid here for a little bit. These wheel covers are from EVBase. I've got the link down in the description, and if you're interested in picking up a set for your vehicle, enter the promo code SPINNER and you'll receive a discount. One of the things that I really like about these wheel covers is how they'll cover the entire rim. Our Model 3, being a former rental car before we rescued it, has all kinds of curb rash on the rims, and these wheel covers hide that nicely and really help the overall appearance of the car. But these wheel covers need a little bit of setup before you put them on, so we're going to show you how to do that right now. Inside the box, there are going to be 4 of these wrapped in bubble wrap with this protective stuff wrapped around them as well. Going to take it out of this protective packaging, flip it over, and that'll give you an idea of what the wheel cover looks like. Also, there is going to be this package, and this package has this foam tape in there, which we'll show you how to put on in a second, and these plain black caps that are going to go right here. Now, if you choose, you can also get the logo center caps as well. We went with that with the red tee to match our red car, and we're going to get all these set up and show you what they look like on the car.
First, before we ever work with adhesive, I always like to clean the surface of any manufacturing residue. I just use spray alcohol and a cloth and then just wipe it down. It's also usually a good idea to make sure your hands are clean whenever you're working with adhesive, because the oils on your hands can cause the adhesive to lose its sticky. Next, we're going to take this roll of adhesive padding that came from the manufacturer. You can see that this side is the spongy side, it's not sticky, and the other side has this backing on it, which we're just going to peel off, and of course we'll put the sticky side on the actual item. So I'm just going to grab this and just start any random place. I'm putting it as close to the edge as I can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I try not to go over the lip, but if it's a little off one way or the other, it's not that big of a deal, because the clips are what actually hold this in place, and the edge is not really part of what holds the thing in place. And this padding is just there to protect your wheels from being scratched by the wheel cover. I've done this a lot, so I'm kind of fast at it. I recommend doing it slowly if you have not done it before. Then when we arrive at the end, I'll just cut it off with a pair of scissors. And it's okay if it overlaps a little or doesn't quite meet up. That's not a big deal.
Next, we're going to put the center cap on, and just like Rachel did, we're going to spray a little bit of alcohol where this goes. It goes right here in this circle in the middle that's got ridges and molding that you don't want to see, so you want to get that covered up. But they do it that way so that you have the option to customize it. It's got some protective film on the front, so we're just going to peel that off. Then we're ready to peel off the adhesive backing to expose the 3M adhesive that's there. I have the wheel cover oriented so that the cutout for the valve stem is at the bottom of the screen, and that's important because the tip of the T in the logo needs to point directly to that. So you have it lined up, pointed to it, line this up on the edge of the circle, press down, and then your center cap is set with the logo in it. When it comes to putting them on the car, it's super easy. Remember that little cutout that I showed you for the tire valve? Well, line that up on the tire valve. Who'd have thought? And then that lines up all of the clips. And then all you got to do is pop it on and you're good to go. Do that 3 more times and your car's ready. And in just a few minutes, the wheel covers are on your car. I really like the way that these things look. And like I said at the beginning, they enhance the overall appearance of the vehicle. Again, these are the 18-inch Aero wheel covers inspired by the Model S Plaid for the Tesla Model 3. They're from EVBase. If you're interested in a set for your own vehicle, the link is down in the description. And if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you can get a discount on your order. Thanks for watching.